Hey, good morning, traders. Today is Wednesday, January 4th, 8:18 a.m., about 10 minutes before opening bell. Be cautious, guys. Be ready. I'm going to show you the possibility of a head fake. It didn't look like the ISM and Jolt's job reports did much to the markets this morning. So, I mean, it did put a good-sized red candle there. And so, be aware. Last night, it gapped up. Okay? It gapped up. That, in general, should be taken as a sign of weakness. How do I know? Because it came back down and lost the EMA50 right there. This was last night, see? So, I was already suspicious from right here, earlier in the day, yesterday, sorry, earlier, in late afternoon yesterday. Remember right there? That candle right there, I was already suspicious. And so, the fact that you had to gap up, right? That's always a sign of weakness to me, because you know me and talking about the VIX gapping up, only to come back down. I think it's very much a possibility it could come back down and fill this gap today. It's a possibility, see? Because the fact that despite you gapping up and despite you having successful backtest right here, you gapped up and you still lost the EMA50 last night despite gapping up. And now you're showing a big red candle here. Okay? So keep that in mind. Here's the next tweet. I tweeted out earlier, about 10 minutes before the Jolt and ISM data came out. Here is the price action all of last night. Here is bearish divergence on the MACD and now on the RSI last night. Okay, so you guys need to be careful. Okay, so here's the 4-hour chart. Here's SPY futures. Okay, it is now wedged. It's forced itself in this wedge between the 4-hour EMA 50 and the 4-hour SMA 20. Okay, it's forced itself in the wedge. Now, keep in mind, see the 4-hour right here? It's not quite at the zero line. This is another classic head fake that I've seen. It can come right up to the line and then go back down. Okay? So, keep that all in mind, guys. It does not mean we're going to just rebound up. Even though the RSI looks up right now on the 4-hour, does not mean, because that zero line is formidable. That zero line, by the way, is equivalent to the 4-hour EMA50 line. That's why you are right at it right now, right at it, and so are you, right at the zero line. So, based on what I've seen, the gap ups, the suspect backtest yesterday afternoon, you lost the EMA50 overnight, even though you gapped up. That doesn't look like signs you're gonna rocket up. That you're gonna overtake this EMA50. Okay, so here's SPY. SPY is equivalent also at its 4-hour EMA50 right there. Right, see that right there. So the EMA50, especially the 4-hour EMA50, is formidable. So you might very well have a head fake come right up above it, maybe even just come right up above it, only to boom, come back down. Okay, so today might be a sideways trading day, is what I'm saying. I don't think it has the power to overtake the 4-hour EMA50. I could be wrong, but here's the 1-hour SPY futures. There's the 4-hour EMA50, right? See, it's proximity to that. I would say, boy, if it can overtake the 4-hour EMA50, and on SPY, that is 380, 331. If it can overtake it, okay, see how last night in futures, oh sorry, no, this was a couple days ago. Sorry, no, this is last night. A couple days ago, how it overshot it only to fail the back test. See what I mean? So you got to be careful of that. So right now it got rejected right here. This is a 1-hour candle. It's getting rejected at 380, 31. See that right there? Boom, clear as day. So this might be a sideways day. I don't think it's going to be a big up day. I think if anything, it's going to be a down, sideways to down, because we gapped up last night. So we gapped up last night and lost the EMA50 despite gapping up. Okay, so that's basically all I got for you guys. Hope you guys have good luck trading today. We'll see. Let's see if he can take the 4-hour EMA50. I have my doubts. I think we're going to come up to it, and then we're just going to come right back down. Now, I don't know if we're going to rip back down, but we'll have to see. It depends on how the strength of the surge up, if it even tries. So just watch out for the head fake, guys. All right, talk to you soon.